Reclaiming your masculinity in 2026 highly involves different layers that I'll briefly really break them down. Everything starts from your sleep, man. If you haven't got the correct sleep structure, how the hell do you expect to function and really operate like a masculine man? All these monk mode vibes are all gone. This is all BS. Even I tried for a couple of years, but it's not as effective once you turn 25, 30, 40, or 50. Do you get me? It doesn't really work. So the best way for you to really get back to normal is sleeping 7 to 8 hours. That's when you can regulate your cortisol levels. That's when your stress hormones are operating fine. That's when most testosterone is produced. That's when new muscle is getting created. That's where everything is happening. That's where you're losing fat, you're getting leaner, your cognitive function is repairing. That's number one. Yeah. Secondly, you can't be waking up and just jumping into different, trying to get coffee and eat some sugary stuff and whatever. Like me personally, this is the routine that works for me and has worked for a lot of my clients. Do you get me? If you don't know, I'm F-Cammaris. I've been running F-Cammaris, which is kind of a biohacking ecosystem with different layers. So it could be natural supplements, peak masculinity, a lot of stuff involved. Anyways, so myself, yeah, let's talk about me. Every single time, man, eggs, avocado, yeah, chicken breast, steak, natural herbs, natural blends. I've been doing this for I've been doing this for years. Now you instead, donuts, sugary stuff, idiot foods, yeah, bad routines. You wake up, nothing is really happening. So it really doesn't work if you're not doing your thing properly. Do you get me? It doesn't really work. Yeah, my bad. I'm here outside, so I gotta be watching out for whatever's going on. Anyways, so your food, your nutrition and sleep has to be on point. There's no point of you trying to become a masculine man if you haven't got that on point. So replace all your sugary stuff with what I just mentioned: eggs, avocado, and jump into natural herbs. Yeah, if you want the most powerful, like the deadliest combo for men's vitality, jump onto tribulus, honey goat weed, chrysin, tonga lee, saw palmetto, orphan berries, blending with zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D. I don't take vitamin D because I'm in a country where there's a lot of sunlight shining in my face, as you can see right now. Yeah, and don't make this mistake that I used to make, basically take every single herb separately. That's why I came up with dragon root, man. Dragon root literally contains the most powerful herbs. All of these herbs I've mentioned, you can find them on dragon root. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Dragon root, if you want to double, triple your testosterone. Dragon root, if you're tired of your third leg down there being weak and your woman's not pleased. Dragon root, if you want to add more muscle, more strength, better cognitive function, better mood and energy throughout the day, dragon root is here, man. Say no more. Yeah, so already giving you the initial steps. Then the first step, man, you already know, man. Like, if you're not really looking good in the mirror, how the hell do you expect to look masculine? Physical activity. And physical activity has different point of views inside. Yeah, so physical activity isn't just for you to look lean and muscular, etc. It's confidence. Yeah, it's opportunities, it's respect as a man. It's a lot of things involved. Do you get me? So you need to get physical activity, man. You don't even need to be a crazy gym rat. You can just do 3-4 times per week. I do 5, 6, sometimes I do 4, sometimes I stay a whole week to recover and go back at it again. So physical activity, you really need to do it. Yeah, weightlifting, hybrid exercises, whatever you have to be doing. Yeah, so understand, if you're not looking apart, if you got a massive belly, yeah, if you're walking like an idiot, yeah, your woman won't respect you. You're gonna miss business opportunities, right? You're not gonna feel confident. You're not gonna go to the beach. I'm here at the beach right now. Yeah, you won't be able to take off your top because you're so disgusted by your ugly figure. You get me? So there's different layers into this. Your confidence when you step in. Imagine being next to 5, 6 jacked people, man, and you're the only sloppy guy. It won't work. Or you go to a couple's dinner and then you see your wife's friends partners, they're all looking jacked and you're the only sloppy one, and they start talking about gym or whatever and you're the only rubbish one, yeah? So very important, physical activity, right? And then by that, we jump onto mental toughness. Yeah, you're outside with your girl or you're outside with your family members, someone comes to attack you, you don't know what to do. Yeah, you hide behind your woman or you hide behind your mom. Yeah, excuse my expressions, but I have to really tell you things in your face. Yeah, mental toughness. So I'm not trying to say learn martial arts, boxing, jiu-jitsu, MMA, wrestling, Muay Thai, kickboxing, judo, whatever. I recommend MMA, I recommend Muay Thai, boxing, jiu-jitsu, wrestling. Yeah, these are the things I really rate them. I do boxing personally, right? And I'm about to learn wrestling too. Yeah, so mental toughness is very important for you to be able to protect. I'm not saying you have a gun in your face and you go and try a punch. I'm not saying that, but overall, some junkie tries to attack your family, your kid and your wife, and you can't do anything. That's a disaster. Whole masculinity gone, right? Then you jump from that. Imagine having all these things, but then you don't have knowledge. Yeah, imagine you're all jacked, you get into a place, an event or networking event, or you're around knowledgeable people, you don't know nothing about life. So understand this, you need to read books, you need to become a charismatic human being, you know, learn cultures, travel more, understand different point of views, watch documentaries, understand what's happening in this world, this whole new world order. Yeah, understand life, understand history, man, what's been happening years and years and years ago. Do you get me? Knowledge is very important. That's going to give you a lot of charisma, man. And a charismatic man, ooh, you're dressed well, you know what I mean? You're jacked, you're knowledgeable, you know what I mean? On the inside, you're operating well, no one can stop you. That's full masculinity. Yeah, that's full masculinity. And then I told you, dress well, look after yourself, nice perfume, shower, look after yourself, get trimmed, regular trims, all these things. These are all part of your masculinity. Maybe have your beard. I never used to have my beard. Now I have my beard. It makes me feel more masculine. Deep voice. Do you get me? You don't even have your Adam apple anymore. That's how low your testosterone is right now. And you're only what? 20, 30, 40, 50? Are you already done? It makes no sense. So lastly, guess what? You have all these things, but your pockets are empty. You can't look after your family. You can't please your family members. You can't do anything. Income skills. Yeah, don't be trapped into your 9 to 5 like a fool, like I used to be as well. Yeah, boss here, boss there, controlling you here, can't do this, can't do that. It's a miserable life, man. Yeah, so income skills, start a business. Yeah, become useful, create ideas, have impact in people's lives, man. I started F-Cammaris like literally 5 years ago, let's say almost 5 years. Yeah, I've been able to help thousands of individuals. Guess what does that do to me? I become an authority person. People respect me. People be like, yo, that's the guy that started F-Cammaris. He has helped XYZ people. They're not gonna point at me and say, yo, this guy drinks alcohol every single day. This guy's with multiple women every single day. He's taking drugs. He has a massive belly. He's lanky, idiot moves, no charisma. He doesn't even know the name of this city or how these people operate. He understands nothing in this world. So guys, income skills is very important. You can have all these things, but if you haven't got your pockets full, decent amount of money, freedom, then it becomes useful. You can't look after your family. You can't do things that you love. You have an emergency, health emergency, you have to go to the best hospital. Someone in your family, God forbid, got cancer. You can't look after them. So income skills, right? So now guys, anyways, this was a short one. If you're someone that's tired of being average, you're tired of low testosterone, you want to reach peak masculinity, you need a whole protocol, systems in place, discipline, yeah, masculine protocols, testosterone optimization, and all these things all into one. DM me the word peak on Instagram. Everything is going to be in the description. Yeah, only if you're done being tired. I don't like guys that ain't serious, man. Don't be wasting my time. Yeah, because I've got limited spots. Yeah, message me on Instagram, DM me. Also, don't forget, F-Cammaris is here, man. Dragonroot is here. If you're done being average once again, if you need a natural testosterone optimization for natural vitality, jump onto this. Everything is going to be in the description. Subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos like this, so let's keep it moving.